painting is very famous. It's called the Mona Lisa.
Wow, I've seen photos of this before. Who painted it?
His name is Leonardo da Vinci.
She could have smiled.
She's happy.
I want to be in a painting.
One day, Mikey. This famous painting is painted by Andy Warhol.
Is she called Mona too?
No, Mikey, she's a movie star.
They had movies back then?
Yes, this painting was done a long time after the Mona Lisa in the 1960s. It was a style called pop art.
Pop art? Like a popsicle?
It means popular art.
Ah, it's 8 suns.
They are stars. This painting is called The Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh.
Is this as old as the last one?
It's very old. It's a classic.
Just like you.